Hi guys, so just recording on two cameras, so you'll see me switching between the two. Just got parcel in the post and I'll show you all it. This I've been waiting for. I wasn't expecting it for I think a few more days, another 7 days before they said they were going to post that out, let alone get to me. But it's come already and I'm super excited. So, little sneak things. Anyone who knows about YouTube High Five, they give you some freebies. There's a sausage roll from Greg's. You can get the normal or the vegan one, which I haven't got yet, which I will get when I'm working in the shop next. There's a free pizza from Papa John's, again haven't got yet but will do. And then there was this that I got, which there was limited amounts, not everyone got them, but I managed to get in and get one, so I'm really excited. But it says high five and it says lights, camera, glow. You've managed to get your hand on the limited edition YouTube Neon. A special thank you for friends at YouTube for brightening the world with your creativity. We'd love to see the new sign in action. Tag us at so that we can check it out, which I will do. So we open it up and you can see I've opened this part of the box, but I haven't actually opened the rest yet, so I don't know what it's like, and I'm quite excited to see. So there we go. Now hopefully it's not backwards to you guys on my phone camera. I'm doing the phone camera for a short video, so I might have to flip it for the shorts. But this is what we get in. So it does say UK plug, also says made in China. But quite like the box, to be fair. Try not to knock anything over while I undo it. So this is what's coming in the box. Try to work out how we unpack this without breaking anything. Like that, which telling us where the power band is located and hold to adjust brightness. So awesome. It comes with, oh, get it out. Got the stand, and then we got the power supply. So let's get all this moved a minute and then get it plugged in and we can check what it's like. So looks like it's just simply slots in here. There we go. So we'll get this plugged in and we can, seems like gonna pass the plug part to Duncan because he's got power supply on his desk. Hopefully it will reach. We're cutting it close for reaching here. Right, there. We can get it on. I'm going to have to turn. Does the power supply move over this way at all? Or is it fully stuck there?
That's it.
Ah. Okay, we're going to have to turn this one so you can see it. So you're going to have to see the rest of my house, I'm afraid. And Duncan in the background. Let's... There you go. So, it said hold it for brightness. There we go, so it dims down. And goes back up. How cool is that? I'm going to have to see this at night time and see what it's like, but really happy with it. And I'm going to have to find out a way of getting this plugged in so I can actually have it on my desk, because that is quite it is. I'll make the full thing of the power lead, so turn it off. I'll work out how to turn off in a minute. The button's quite hard, but how cool's that? So I'm going to find a way of having that set up in my filming so it's in my background somehow at some point. But really happy with that. So thanks, YouTube. I'll see you all later. Bye.